We are pleased to show you the 2016 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built into a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, child safety locks. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.